Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes Store. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to download something from your iPhone or App Store, you're facing this type issue that your account has been disabled. So let's see how can you fix that very easily. So the very first step is that you have to check your billing address. So open your App Store here, tap on your profile in the top right corner, and here tap on your Apple ID. And you have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. And then you just have to tap on country or region. So here you have to select your own country or region in which you are living. So for example, I'm going to select this one. Then tap on continue option. And then tap on agree in the top right corner. Now you just have to add your payment method which you have. It might be a credit card or debit card or any other account, and then add your billing address here very correctly. Then add your phone number, then add your name, then tap on done option in the top right corner, and your issue will be fixed there. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you just have to open your settings here, tap on your Apple ID here, tap on sign in and security, and from here you just have to try to change your password of your Apple ID. So if you are not going to that page, you have to relaunch your settings app here, and then select change password from here, verify yourself again, and here you just have to add your or change your password after the security delay. And once you have changed your password, your issue must be fixed. Or if you are still facing the same issue, so you have to contact with Apple Support. So open the Apple Support app, or you can use Apple Support web. Select your iPhone from here, and then select subscriptions and purchases, or you can also select the more option from here. Then select the App Store, and after that you just have to look for get more help. Tap on call us. Now whenever you find you will want to call, you just have to dial this phone number and you'll be contacted with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there, and after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.